What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open the quick settings panel. Now here you will see a flight mode icon, so tap on this icon to turn it on, and after turning on flight mode wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that turn it back off, so it will refresh the GPS and network settings, and then it will help you to fix the wrong destination or invalid destination address issue. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here look for the messages app. Open the app and go to its storage. Now from here clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. So tap on clear cache and then click on clear data to clear the app data. So from the pop-up tap on delete to confirm, and after that the invalid destination address issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on general management. Now in general management click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that the invalid destination address issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.